In verse number 24, the Bible said, you have come to Jesus Christ, the mediator of the New Testament or covenant. You have come to the blood of sprinkling that speaks better things than that of Abel. When you enter here, these are the dimensions where you have come to Mount Zion. You have come to Jesus, the liberator, the lifter up of our heads. Yeah, you have come to the revivalist, the parabolist. You have come to Christ, the shepherd and the bishop of your soul. And so church is not just that, no, put it on the side. We don't need her. And so when we come, your father will be that's why you come with the Bible, and that is why, listen to that, that is why you come with a notebook. You are making notes all over the place. You're making notes. Clear people are writing. There is a reason for that. But even in the learning, the Bible made a submission in 3 John chapter 1 verse 11. Don't learn the evil. Abraham, life our boy, the good, the evil, and co-evil now. David, akoshibra our boy, and Samson is a one within IRCD and Yanka. Solomon, we will not learn it. He said, beloved, follow not that which is evil. Follow not. Sister, me pay heavy ako. Minya sofo, kame kwa alabasta. Kanokure chere me. Tell me the truth. Me pesa me tenokure. Tell me it. Kanokure chere me. Follow not. It will suffer our remians. Ninkwasi your life, you don't follow. Clear. Uba hana me papa me yire ni suwa. Sankwasi ya komano, you don't follow. Dear. Don't follow that which is evil, but that which is good. He that doeth good is of God. But he that obtaineth life, the Bible said, have not seen God. Even if or you suffer, he has not seen God. There is a revelation. Let me point it to you. The Bible said,